Hello and welcome to a new video. How are you doing? Thank you so much for clicking in. For my regular subscribers, I really appreciate you always coming back to watch and also encourage this channel to grow. And to the new ones, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a place where you're going to learn about healthy living, and this is where I showcase my healing journey. Because once upon a time, I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, and pain. And thanks to God and life-giving foods, I have managed to completely reverse these conditions. And I want to show you one of the things I did. Now, have you ever been away on holiday and you come back and you feel really worse off and ill? This happened to me one of the first times I was even having a crisis with chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia. I took my children to a fantastic adventure, Disneyland Paris. And on my return after 5 days, I was completely wrecked out. I was exhausted, my skin flared up because I had eczema and I was in pain. Over time, I have managed to stop having any sort of flares by the things I eat on holiday. Obviously, food is not the only thing that helps you heal. In my journey, I show you other factors, and one important one is how you manage stress. And that's why holidaying is really good, but you have to be sure that when you go on holiday, you also take out time to rest and ensure the nourishment, the nutrition you eat is key. So I try as much as possible to pack things that are healthy. If you have to fly and you can't carry food, come and I'll show you one thing I can do. Now, if you can, get a self-catered place. If you can't, no problems. You can do all this in a hotel room. Yes, you can get cooked pasta from a supermarket and do this. So please do not switch off if you say, oh, I'm not going on a holiday, I don't want to be cooking. Guys, if you can't get decent food in a restaurant, it's important, even if it's once or twice during your holiday, that you give yourself good nourishment. So we're making a simple pasta salad. Our ingredients are things that you normally would have in a salad, but I've just got a couple of sweetness. Now, I make my own dressing. I'm going to put a link in the description box. This is a cashew dressing, bit of olive oil, cashew, black pepper, and lemon. I got some rockets. You can use whatever salad leaves you have, a bit of avocado, some cherry tomatoes, eggs. Kids love eggs. A bit of mango and apples. Yes, weird things, but they make the salad sweet and the children will quickly eat everything with no issues. So that's one of the things, making your salad sweet and palatable. Making sure your salad is actually palatable for children, especially when they want to quickly go and do other things whilst on holiday. So I've made a big pot of pasta. Basically, I've only just used about 500 grams of whole wheat pasta here. I think that's a little bit too much for this, but I'm gonna decant some and then use the rest for our video. I just wanted to show you what it's like. This couldn't have been easier. All we need to do, we've prepped all our ingredients. Just add them all in no particular order. Guys, can you imagine the amount of fiber your family will consume when they eat this? It's a lot. And this is really delicious as well, trust me. You don't have to use a homemade dressing. I always love making mine, but you can always just buy something. But at the end of the day, you're giving your family and yourself nourishment, guys. For me, this is key to me enjoying my holidays. So I hope this really helps you. If you're going away, you can just pre-pack whatever you want. One thing I also do when I'm going on holiday, if I can't get juice, if I can't get to juice, because I love juicing, and juicing is one of the key things that have helped me in my healing journey, I take my powders. So I take things like baobab bean powder, some powdered greens, and then I go away with it. And then on holiday, I just buy some freshly squeezed orange juice or whatever I can find, and I mix it with my flax meal powder, baobab powder, and other green powders, and I have good fiber. I have high nutrient drinks. It's not just plain juice with sugar, and that way I feel nourished and I feel better. So guys, come and look at this. Let's have a look. Can you see how beautiful it looks already? And now we're gonna go ahead and add some of our dressing. So this is it. Everything here was bought whilst on holiday. Obviously, if you're not catering, it might look a bit cumbersome, but you can actually do something by improving your diet. You can just have even plain salad. If you can't cook pasta where you are, you can just make a plain salad. Just have a bowl that you mix it. Look at this dressing. This dressing, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. It's one of those absolutely delicious. A little bit of honey was added here as well. And I used the hand blender. I did this whilst on holiday. So it doesn't have to be too fancy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just whatever you can do to ensure you nourish your bodies. Now, this salad, tell me, who is going to refuse something as healthy and wholesome as this? Oh, wow. Okay, we're just gonna serve this up now. This is something I also do. Something I also do when I go away. I have like one of these. This is a Stanley flask. It doesn't have to be Stanley, it can be any brand. I've had this for years now, and it's a huge one. So this will feed my family and I. So if we're on the go, we just have something to pack, and we take paper plates and use it to serve ourselves. So I'm just gonna put this in there. It's a bit cold. It's cold food. It doesn't have to be hot salad, but you can heat it up as well. So I'm just gonna pack this up and off we go. We can be out all day, have fun, and also have nourishing food. So guys, thank you so much if you watched to this point. Have you enjoyed this video? Has it added any value to you? If you have, give us a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what sort of videos you like to see. I want to show you this is a healthy snack and a healthy meal at the same time. This can actually double up as school dinners, just so many things. All you can do is prep things overnight and you mix it all up and you're ready to go. So I hope this video has really been good and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much once again for watching, and until next time, I will see you in another video. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this salad recipe and let me know how you enjoyed it. Bye!